Sorry about that, guys. My phone ran out of space, so I'll continue from the last video. Fake Grand Order wafers. Okay, we have the Tanky Saber. Not bad. Normal one. I wish I could get the Saber. Oh shit, man. Well, not bad. Mary, not a duplicate and an SR. No wait. A rare. Yeah. Okay, we got Mordred with the surfing board, Excalibur surfing board. She's hot as fuck, boy. Alright, I'll skim through these. Okay, we got the Fox Tamamo no what? Tamamo no Mae. Alright, she is okay. She's the SR. Okay, 5 stars. Oh, she has that little. Let me see. I'll show you. She has the rainbow thing. Very nice card. It's plastic. All of them are plastic, but this one has the rainbows. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, very happy with this. We got another duplicate, Tesla. I mean, I'm okay with Teslas. Okay, we have the Thomas Edison. A normal. I don't know why they did Thomas Edison as like a lion kind of dude. I mean, it's Japan, so maybe, I don't know. But, okay. Oh, shit, we got another SR. Oh, that looks really nice. Arturia Pendragon Altar. Oh, that is really nice. Okay, very nice pulls in this box. So, last card. Okay, what do we see here? Another big water gun girl, Helena Blavitsky or something. Okay, I mean, this was actually not bad. Each of the boxes cost 44 euros, no, dollars. So, they're a bit expensive actually, but I got some nice pulls here. Really nice. I'll show you all of them at once right now. So, I'm sorry, like my room is really small. So, gotta clean some stuff. Okay. Rare, an SR, so SR goes there. Normal, a rare, SR. Normal, wait, she was normal? Holy shit. Rare, normal, rare, normal, rare. Okay, she is a rare. Normal, rare, normal, rare. Normal, and a rare. So we've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rares. So these are like the common ones. No wait, the common ones. You got 2 SRs from one box out of 20. So like 1 out of 10 is a SR, I think. Not bad actually. And all of them are rares. Nice pull. I've got 2 duplicates. No wait, two rare duplicates and 4 normal duplicates. So actually, I really like these cards. They're all plastic, high quality, nice finish. They're like very nice. I really like these cards. I think I might collect them, but these are the cheap ones. Like in Amazon, like the other ones sell for like $100 or something, and they're like crazy expensive. But you know, if you guys want me to open other boxes as well, just ask, okay? I'm I'm sorry if the quality is bad again, because this is on my phone and I don't have any camera equipment. Okay, so the next box, hope I don't get any more duplicates. Let's start. Right off, you got Ishtar. And like, are these like the same boxes? Because I also got Ishtar in the first run. Okay, I'm seeing some similarities in these boxes. I got two just in case I don't get any good cards. Okay, another tanky saber as a normal. Tesla. I really want the saber or the Nero, you know. Okay, this is the SR Marshu. That's nice. It's a bit simple, but you know, it's okay. Okay, we got another tanky saber. We have a yes, that is nice. Saber, really nice. Okay, we got a nice pull here. I'm happy with this. Okay, let's see. Oh, nice. Lancelot as the human, not berserker saber. Very nice. Let's see what else we have. Okay, we have another Mordred. Not bad. And a Mary. Okay. She's really cute in this one. She's trash in like the normal one, but I don't care. Sorry if it was your waifu or something. I don't have waifus, even if I'm like a huge weeb. Okay, nice. We have 5 to go. We are going at extreme speed. Alright. A new card. Nito Chris. Okay, not bad. She has the cute bunny ears and all that. Let's see. Another Tesla. Wow, how am I gonna eat all these wafers? Thomas Edison. And another normal. Okay, this isn't very nice. This box doesn't have a lot of rares, it seems. Let's see what we have left. Okay, we got another double. We have 3 Ishitars right now. We have a wow. Is that a rare? No, but another new card. Very nice. Frankenstein. Or Frankenstein's monster to be exact. Let's see what's the last card. Please be SR. Alright, okay. Annie Bonnie and Mary Reed. Okay, so this box had nice pulls. This one had saber, but you know, not that good. This one had 1, 2. Shit, I dropped one. Wait. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, and we had 6, 7 rares actually. Not bad when you count them all. I was too fast maybe. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 normals and 2 SRs. So these SRs I think are all like 10 out of 1, so you have to get 1 out of 10. So thank God these aren't duplicates, and I've got the 2 I really wanted. These 2, very nice. And well, you know, maybe if you guys leave a comment on like what box I should open, it doesn't have to be Fate Grand Order wafers, you know, just leave a comment. And no need to subscribe or like. I don't do those things a lot either. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe I'll see you next time.